Hello everybody and welcome to today's eyeshadow tutorial. This is what we're doing today. It's a really simple but pretty summer look. I'm obsessed. And this is all done using a $9 eyeshadow palette from Amazon. This is what it looks like. I will link it below. It is beautiful. It has every color that you need. The browns do lean more red, which I'm not a fan of, but you can still get a really pretty look as you can see here. So I'm starting off with this transition color. It's a more like yellowy beige. I wanted something a little more kind of neutral because I am going in with oranges and very like warm tones. I found this shirt at TJ Maxx, guys. It's from Zara. It was $6, okay? And it's gorgeous. Can you believe it? So when I got it, I was like, I have to wear it today for this eyeshadow look. So I took that orangey color, which is really pretty. Look how pretty that color is, okay, guys? Do I have to remind you this is a $9 Amazon palette? I am just putting this color in the outer V in the crease. This is not a crazy hard eyeshadow look. I mean, really none of mine are, but this is super easy and it turns out to be so pretty. Like, I'm still obsessed with it. So yeah, putting that in the crease and in the outer V, and then I'm taking this darker orange and putting that pretty much in the same areas. I kind of wanted to deepen it up a little bit and really kind of match the flowers that are on my shirt. I can't believe I got this shirt for $6, and it's a really nice material. It was a total steal, okay? Not complaining. Now here I'm taking this brown and I'm just deepening up the look a little bit. It just needed a little dimension, so I took that dark brown, putting it in the crease and in the outer V. So here I'm taking my concealer for the day. This is the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is the only one that I use, so if you have a really good recommendation, let me know. But here I'm just concealing the inner portion of my lid because I really want the shimmer shade to pop. So I just put it on and then I blend it out with my finger, and I feel like the eyeshadow looks a little bit cleaner this way when I use concealer. And I don't use a lot of it. It doesn't get heavy or creasy or anything like that. I just put a very light layer, blend that out with my finger. I'm taking this shimmery shade. It's like a peachy gold kind of color. It's really pretty actually and unique, and I press that in with the finger, and then I will take a wet brush and I just use water and I just, you know, tap the shimmer shade in, made sure I got it, you know, precisely in all the right areas, and then I did take the dark brown that I used and blended the shimmer shade out, so I didn't have any harsh lines, everything was smooth, and I just feel like it really brightens up the eyes when I use that concealer as a base. I don't know, what do you guys think? I'm still a little blown away that this is a $9 palette, and these shades, like this eyeshadow looks like I used like a $90 eyeshadow palette. No, you guys can tell me if I'm wrong, but it is a great little palette. Here, same concealer, the Too Faced concealer, and I'm just concealing my under eyes, doing my little concealer routine. You guys know the drill. And then I did set my concealer with the DERMA Blend Loose Setting Powder. Tapped that in. This is my favorite Amazon puff ever. It's just, my under eyes have never looked so good. So good. And this was also from Amazon. I will link it down below. And then to, you know, get a little summer vibe going. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Always blend out. After I do my concealer, I always blend out. Now, to get the little summer vibe going and to match my shirt, I picked this green and I did it on the lower lash line. It looks so pretty, guys. Look how pigmented this color is. I also did a Valentine's Day look with this eyeshadow palette, and I will link it up top. But I'm telling you, it just works so well. So pigmented, so bright. And I'm using my transition color, blended out the green a little bit. And then these are Kiss Noblesse lashes. They are my favorite. Look at this look, guys. Do you think this was a $9 eyeshadow palette? No way. So that's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this super easy summer look, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.